Hi, I'm Kile Kupiszewski with the Kile Kupiszewski Law Firm. And in this video, I wanted to give an update on what is happening in the Superior Court during the pandemic. And while we're under in Arizona, the encouragement to stay at home and maintain our social distance. The court is not traditionally a place where there's a lot of social distancing. There's lines at the clerk's office, and there's people in the hallways, and it takes a lot of people to run a courtroom. And when that all happened on April 1st, the court had to very, very quickly administer guidance, which they have done, and you can view at the Supreme Court website. They have a number of administrative orders that explain what they're doing. The first thing that they did was that they canceled the majority of the non-emergent hearings. So they really were just hearing emergency guardianships and petitions for court-ordered treatment, some criminal cases. And so now they're playing catch-up, and we're getting new guidance coming out that going off into the future, the court is, they used to always want to be in person. Everybody had to go to court, and now they're saying, no, be on the phone. And so they've really encouraged telephonic hearings, which I think is actually probably good for clients because that's going to save people money. And there were lots of hearings that you really didn't need to go down for, but the court was resistant to telephone hearings. And so now clients will have that available to them. The court is resetting all those hearings, and those are the priority. You can file new cases, and they are hearing cases, and they're going to be setting those off into the future starting after June 1. Also, the court has loosened up. There were lots and lots of things, particularly in probate, that had to be notarized. The letters of appointment for personal representatives and for guardians and conservators. Bonds had to be, original signatures. And the court has said, whoa, that's a lot of contact with a lot of people, and so they're not requiring those to be notarized anymore. They've issued some administrative guidance saying, no, if you just swear under penalty of perjury, that's going to be sufficient. They also are working on video conferencing, something they haven't quite gotten yet. There's been a few video hearings, but they're definitely working on making that happen so that if there is another wave and they have to do this again, they don't have to completely close, so that the court has more options. So if there are any other that come out, any more guidance that is going to be helpful to folks, just know that you can still file cases, you can still get appointed. They are still issuing informal probate. Estates have to be resolved, people need guardians, and they are making it happen. Thanks for listening.